Hello everybody. Today in this video I am going to solve word problem of this chapter. Word problem is very simple, very easy student. This is the class 10th chapter 4. The simple thing is that from a statement you have to write an equation form. As you know it is a pair, so we will have two equations. Okay, it's a word problems, and from that equation we are going to solve. Then you will get the solution for x and y. Okay, so students, let us start with the question. Exercise 4.1, question number 3. Please read it very carefully. You read the question, right? Now, let me explain in short what we have to find out and what the question. Here Neha went to purchase pants and skirts. When her friend asked how many pants and skirts she purchased, what she answered? She gave in a statement form the answer. Here we have to find now from the statement an equation. Then we will solve the problem. Okay, let us do now.
Let us go with the solution, student. See here, I have written few part. From the statement I am writing here two equation. See the part now. Let the number of the skirts purchased by Neha be x and pants be y. According to the question, what was the question? The number of skirts are 2 less than twice the number of pants. So x is here skirt and it is twice number of pants, that is 2y and minus 2 less. Because of the less I am writing minus symbol. This is first equation. Next, the number of skirts are 4 less than 4 times the number of pants. So x is your skirts, 4y is your number of the pants and is less 4. Clear this equation? So from these statement we are writing the two equation. Now what the next step? Next step will be a solving equation 1 and 2. X equals to 2y minus 2. This is first equation. Second, x is equals to 4y minus 4. Now you have to solve. Means subtract. Sign. You have to change the signs. Plus will become minus. This plus will become minus. Minus will become plus. Two signs are opposite. Cancel this one. Here it is minus 2y plus 2 equals to 0. Next is minus 2y equals to minus 2. This minus minus gets cancelled. What is remaining? 2y equals to 2. This is nothing but 2y equals to 2 can be written as 2 by 2. Means multiply will becomes divide. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. So what the value we got? We got y equals to 1. As you know, y I have written, let it be pants. Y means pants. Correct? Now y equals to 1. We got number of the pants is 1. Then what about the skirts? Now what I am doing? Y is equals to 1 in equation 1. Means you can write in equation 1 or in equation 2, your wish. I am substituting in 1. If you substitute 1 in y minus 2. X is equals to 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is nothing but 0. So Neha purchased number of the skirts is 0. Clear? So the conclusion, therefore, Neha purchased skirts means number of skirts. I am writing a number of skirts is 0. Neha purchased number of pants equals to 1. Clear?
Please read the next question.
Solution, student. Here, let the cost of one pencil be X and the cost of one pen be Y. I have written here rupees, rupees. Because it is a cost, that's why we have to write rupees. According to our question, 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost rupees 250. Together means plus symbol. So 5x plus 7y equals to 50. This is the first equation. Next, 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost rupees 46. 7x plus 5y equals to 46. From this statement, I am writing the equation form. Okay. First and second solution. Now I am solving equation 1 and 2. 5x plus 7y equals to 50. 7x plus 5y equals to 46. You can observe here neither x coefficient is common nor y. Either you multiply with 5 to both the equation or 7 to make it as equal. See, I am multiplying. The coefficient should be equal. Okay, either you multiply with 5 or 7 to make it equal either x or y. So if I am multiplying with 5, if I multiply with 5, you observe here full you should multiply. Above I am multiplying with 5 and this below I am multiplying with 7. Okay. Here you have to multiply by 7, student. Here 5y. See here coefficient of 5 and x is 5 and this is x also 7. If you find out the LCM, you are getting 35. Right? So for 5 you have to multiply by 7. For 7 you should multiply by 5. Now a new equation 5 7s are 35. 35x plus 49y equals to 350. You should multiply these throughout with 7. Next you should multiply by 5. So 5 7s are 35x, 5 5s are 25y equals to multiply. 6 are 30, 20, 20 plus 3 is 23. Okay, clear? See here if I can solve like this also. 5 6 are 30, 5 4 are 20, 20 plus 3 23, correct? Now this is our new equation 3rd and 4. Now I am solving this. If you solve, change the signs. Plus will become minus, plus will become minus, plus will become minus. See here both are same, coefficients are same. You cancel this one. Now you subtract, bigger number sign is plus. So sign will be plus only. 9 minus 5, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. Y equals, now subtract this one. 5 minus 3, 2 and this is 120. Clear? Both the signs are positive. Now y equals to 120 by 24. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 6 are 12, 0. 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6, 0. Right? 6 1s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Directly I can write. So now y equals to 5. You know what is y equals to 5? I said in the previous that y equals to y is a cost of 1 pen. Y is what? Cost of 1 pen. Now we have to find out cost of 1 pencil. So see here, cost of, therefore, cost of 1 pen equals to rupees 5. Now you substitute this y equals to 5 in our old equation 1 and 2. Okay. In equation 1 I am substituting 5x plus 7y equals to 50. 5x plus 7 into 5 equals to 50. 5x plus 35 equals to 50. 5x is equals to 50 minus 35. How much? 15. 5x equals to 15. X is equals to 15 by 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. This is equals to 3. Clear? So last, therefore, cost of x is what? Pencil. 1 pencil equals to rupees 3. Clear? See the solution, student. Sixth solution. Let width or breadth equals to x meter. length is 4 meter more than its width. That is x plus 4. More means plus and x is the breadth. And it is 4 meter more. So that is x plus 4 meter. This is also meter. Now half of the perimeter of a rectangular garden is 36 meter. So you know half of perimeter equals to 36. Perimeter formula you know, 2 into L plus B equals to 36. Right? Now this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. Next L plus B equals to 36. Right? Substitute now what is L and what is B. B is x and L is x plus 4. Now x plus 4 plus x equals to 36. This x if you add you will get 2x plus 4 equals to 36. Now shift this plus 4 to that side. It becomes minus 4. 2x equals to 36 minus 4 will be 32. X is equals to 32 divided by 2 in the multiply will becomes divide. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. Now yes, x is 16 meter. As from what we have said, let be x be breadth. Therefore, breadth equals to 16 meter. Breadth equals to 16 meter. Next, what will be the length? Length equals to x plus 4. X plus 4. 16 plus 4 equals to 20 meter. Therefore, length equals to 20 meter. Breadth equals to 16 meter. Okay, clear? Thank you.
So students, read very carefully the next question. Here we have to find number of girls and number of boys.
So students, see the fourth solution here. In your question, they ask us to find the number of the girls and number of the boys. So let the number of boys, first I wrote here boys, so let it be y. Girls, x, they have participated in the quiz. Girls are x, boys are y here. Total 10 students took part in quiz. So number of the girls plus number of the boys will be x plus y equals to 10. According to question, number of girls is 4 more than number of boys. Number of girls are x and it is 4 more than boys. 4 plus boys is y. More than means plus. Okay. Now I am converting this x minus y equals to 4. Second equation. Now solving equation 1 and 2. X plus y equals to 10. X minus y equals to 4. See here, no need of changing the signs. Already see y is having one positive, one negative sign. Directly you can cancel. Now x plus x will be 2x equals to 14. X equals to 14 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14. X equals to 7. So what is x? It's the number of the girls. Now x is equals to 7. In either equation 1 you substitute or in equation 2. As of your convenience. I am substituting in equation 1. So x plus y equals to 10. 7 plus y equals to 10. In the sense y equals to 10 minus 7. Y equals to 3. So therefore, number of students, that is number of students means boys. Okay. Not actual student, number of the boys took part in quiz equals to 3. We said no, boys equals to 3 and girls equals to 7. It's x. Okay, thank you.